Hello, and today we're going to go through the Way of Work's new credit system and how you can use it to find better candidates quicker. So, if you go down to the bottom left here, you can click Buy Credits, and then you have a little pop up there, and you can choose as little as one, or you can buy a bunch of credits. Once you've chosen your total, you just click Purchase Credits, and they'll be added to your account. It's worth noting we also have monthly and yearly options coming soon as well. Now, if you want to see what your total credits are, you just click on the burger menu at the top left there, and then go to Profile Credits Left, and you can see how many credits you've currently got. So now we're going to go and add a new job listing and find some candidates. We're going to click the plus icon there, and then we go to the description, copy and paste a job description we've already got, and then we'll type in our job description, our job title. And then you want to type in here how many profiles that you're willing to pay for. So let's say we go for 3, and then we add the job. And then when we go to here, this is the number of candidates that we are going to search from our shortlist, where it says number of profiles and get candidates. We're going to put in 10 there. And then we click get candidates, and then the platform will start to look for relevant candidates. And I found that within a minute, we'll start to get 1 or 2 trickle in, and we should be able to get our entire list in less than 5 minutes as well, which is exciting. Oh, we've already got 4 there. And then what you'll also see on the list as they come through is that there is actually this score that will start to appear, and that will give you a score out of 100. So you can kind of assess which ones you want to click on and go through and have a look at closer look at their CV and their profile. Okay, great. Now we've got 10 profiles in there that we can choose from. You can see their scores as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with the top 3. So we've got 90 there for John as well, and then a 91 there. And so you can see there's 2 options here. You can actually look at their if you click here where it says email, you can see what email has already been pre-written by our system. But if for whatever reason you're not quite feeling what we've written there and you want a different version, then you can click off that and you can actually click AI. And because I've selected all 3 of those, then we will actually get a rewritten version of that email. So that's going through and it's just doing it for those ones selected now. And then what will happen is once we've got those rewritten, we're going to click the email icon there, and you've got 2 options here. You've got confirm or confirm all, and if you hit confirm, then it will just send an email to the individual, John in this case. And if you hit confirm all, it will send it to all 3 of those in our shortlist. And then you could also got this option where you can click pause for this particular profile so it doesn't send it to them. And that is how you outreach to your shortlist of candidates. So now I'm going to show you how you can reach out to candidates and how you can manage the replies, all from the Way of Work dashboard. So essentially here you can see this is our shortlist of candidates, and then we're going to choose who we want to email. So in this case, I've actually already emailed them just to save some time. And you tick that, you can see that it's got the double tick, meaning it's been emailed. And then you would tick those ones that you want to, and then you'd click email, and it would send it out to those candidates. And then when they reply, you'll basically be able to look at and choose which ones that you want to show the interested replies from. So you can see that this actually, when we click on one of these, it will actually take one of the credits from the left here. So we know that we only want to perhaps spend 2 credits. So we're going to pick like 2 of them. And then you'll see the reply there, and we can reply back to them and send an email, manage it all from here. And then we can also do the same with Jess as an example. View the interested reply there and respond back to them. And this is how you manage all of your outgoing communication with candidates and only get charged on a pay per interested reply basis.